Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to briefly show you how to cut and sew this flay satin skirt. So if this is what you're interested in, then let's get started. Please don't forget to like the video, share, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting time, let's get started right away. So please note that for this tutorial I used 2 yards of Duchess fabric. Okay, you can use any other fabric that you like that is going to drape well. Okay, so here I have my pattern paper in a fold, and I'm going to take the measurement, the waist divided by 4. I took the waist divided by 4 and then added 1 inch for sewing allowance, and I came down by 9 inches to mark the hip point. That's waist to hip 9 inches, and then waist to knee at 22 inches, and then I marked the full length, okay, at 39 inches rather. So that's what you're going to mark. So just go ahead and connect these lines like you see me doing. Just go ahead and do that. So afterwards, the next thing that we're going to do is on the waistline, we're going to divide on the hip line rather, we're going to divide the hip by 4 and add 1 inch for sewing allowance. Okay, so just go ahead and add that. So after we've done this, we're going to connect these 2 points together. Okay, as you see me doing, just go ahead and do that. Now what we have on the hip, we're going to take it down to the hemline, and we're going to minus 2 inches from that. It's just like drafting your basic pencil skirt, okay, your fitted pencil skirt. So after that, use your rule and then connect all the way to the hemline. Okay, so after we've done this, we're basically almost through with the skirt. So what you're going to do is to go ahead and trim the excess off, as you see me doing. Okay, just go ahead and trim off the excess. So this is it. So the next thing that we're going to do now is to determine the flay, okay, where you want your flay to start from. Okay, you can even start from your hip, it depends on what you want. So from this point, I'm going to come up by 4 inches from the knee. That is why we marked the knee line. So you can do 5, you can do 7, whatever, it depends on what you want, okay, and how much fabric you have that you're working with. So I came up by 4 inches on both ends, and I'm going to connect across like this. So after I'm done with that, the next thing I'm going to do is to open up the center front. I'm going to open it up to meet that new line that we just connected. Okay, now please know that there are different ways and methods to achieving this style, and this is one of them, and this is one of the easiest that you can use to achieve it. So just go ahead and cut, and you're going to leave a little bit hanging like I've done here. So I'm going to open it up for you to see. Can you see that? So we're going to spread this on your fabric, pin it down and cut. This table is not wide enough, so I'm going to take it to the floor, and I'm going to do the rest on the floor there. So as you can see here, this is my skirt, this is my fabric, and I've placed it like this. Like I said, if you want it to be bigger, you're going to use a bigger, like you need to get more fabric. Okay, I used 2 yards. Now you can even use 2 yards, and it can be very wide. It depends on, that would depend on the length. Okay, so as you can see, I opened this up by 5 inches, and then I pinned. You're going to pin it down. So after I opened it up, I checked the other side, and it was not up to 5 inches on the other side, the opening, so I had to move this part. Okay, this part can be a little bit tricky. You have to make sure that the both sides open up to the same width. Okay, so just go ahead. After you get it, you pin it down. Okay, now the fabric the fabric is a very lightweight fabric, so it shifts a lot. It tends to shift and move a lot, so you have to be very careful. You can see from up here that even after I placed it, it still shifted a bit, but if you know what you're doing, you'll still be able to, like, come up with your style. So just go ahead and then follow the pattern and trim it. Okay, as you see me doing, just go ahead and cut off all the excess. Okay, so please note that the back and the front are going to be cut in the same pattern. Okay, we're not going to open any back, we're not going to be splitting the back in 2. Okay, we're going to fix the zipper on the side. Okay, your side allowance, your side seam, that's where you're going to fix the zipper. So this is what I basically have. Any other adjustments, I'm going to take it to the table and make further adjustments from there. So as you can see, I've folded the back pattern like this into 2, and I'm going to just place the front on the back. Okay, remember I said that there's not going to be any opening at the back for any zipper allowance. The zipper is going to be on the side seam. So this is it. So after you've placed it down, now you want to make sure that you take your time and pin everywhere, okay, because it shifts like I said before. So just go ahead and then connect the rest as you see me doing. Go ahead and then do that. Okay, so just go and follow and cut your skirt. Alright, so we're basically done with this part. Can you see what we have? So I'm just going to bring up the front part, take off the pins, and I'm going to make it a little bit deeper by 1/2 inch, okay, so that the band will be able to sit properly. So that's it for the drafting. So we're going to start sewing. So you're going to open it up, okay, right sides facing each other. I'm going to open it up and hold it in place. You can pin down. We're going to stitch down by 1 inch all the way down to the hemline, okay, by 1 inch. And we're not going to stitch down this other side. We're just going to leave it open till after we fix our band and fix our zipper. That's when we're going to close it in. So after I've stitched down the other side, I'm going to go ahead and then fold my hemline by like this. I'm going to fold once and then fold twice all around, and I'm going to come back and show you. So this is the band that I'm using. I'm going ahead to iron my collar stay to it. I just cut 1 inch, which is how wide I want my band to be. And that is what I've fixed here, okay, and I've ironed it. So after that, we're going to go ahead. As you can see, I've stitched down this side by 1 inch like I said, and we've done that. So the next thing we're going to do is to fix our band. Okay, we're going to fix our band before we fix the zipper and close it, because the band is going to go all the way up to the top. So this is the band as we have here. So the first thing you're going to do is to make sure that your band like is accurate, okay. Then you're going to take your check your measurements, your waist measurement, if it is correct, if it fits perfectly with what you have. So that's what you're going to do. So afterwards, you're going to go ahead and then fix the band like I've done here. So I fixed it, as you can see, fixed it by 1/2 inch, joined it like this. This is the good side. So we're going to turn it like this. Can you see? You turn it in, and then press it, and that's it, guys. So this is it. This is the skirt. It's very simple. So after you do that, you just fix your zipper, you fix your band, and everything is ready, right? It's very simple and it's very easy to achieve. If this video was helpful, please do give us a thumbs up, make your comments and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.